social influence and persuasion. The idea is quite simple. Social influence, how the society influences you. When your thoughts, your emotions, your behavior, when these things are affected by different components of society, it is said that social influence has taken place. And as we have discussed earlier also in Unit 1, society always try to influence the newborns through the process of socialization. Socialization, the deliberate attempt on part of society to inculcate the existing norms, traditions, values, customs in the behavior of the new members so that they can become responsible citizens in the future. Okay, so basically it is a way of maintaining cultural continuity in a society. Are you getting my point? So social influence is always there. Every aspect, politicians are trying to influence you through their speeches, through their conducts. Like these actors, movie actors, they tend to influence you when they give the trailer of their movie. You get influence and you go and watch their movies in cinema halls. So that is also a kind of influence. Even I teaching you people, that is also a kind of influence only. And I am also part of society. And through this influence, some new information would be there, some new understanding you will get, some personality changes may also occur when you get this new information. So everyone is trying to influence you in one or the other way. Companies are there. They are trying to influence you. How? Through their advertisements. You buy our product, get this service. Everyone, in fact, these online platforms, they are also trying to influence you to buy their product. So everywhere what you will see is there is influence. Like I said now that all these great leaders, Barack Obama, his speech, Yes We Can, Martin Luther King, I Have a Dream. Okay, so Tryst with Destiny speech of Nehru. So they are nothing but influences only. Government is trying to influence you so that you can follow the rule. You can follow rule. You can pay your taxes. I mean, the officer won't come. He like suppose you jump a red light. So it doesn't mean that the officer will just shoot you. But he will try to influence you in such a manner so that next time you do not jump the red light. Alright. Rhetorics, in fact. Rhetorics we talk about. Rhetorics basically means art of persuasive speaking. Like about Modi ji, it is said that he is very rhetorical, that he use all those words which can influence you, but actually no content is there in it. These are only baatein hain, कहते हैं ना, like these are all only talks, but nothing concrete is there in this. So rhetorics, and it has been used often, like how the soldiers can be motivated. Like after Second World War, after the loss of Germany, the soldiers of the Allied forces, they got demotivated, but Japan was still there. So many influensive tools were used by the government to keep the soldiers' motivation high. So these are nothing but social influence. Alright, everywhere, in every step of your life, in every moment, a social influence is there. Like when you're getting married, so the Pandit ji will try to influence you through his chants, through the things that he says in Sanskrit. Alright, the vows that you take, the 7 rounds that you take with your wife. So this is nothing but social influence. Alright, so just write down one line that social influence occurs. Social influence occurs when opinions, emotions, or behavior of a person behavior of a person is affected by others in the society. Is affected by others in a society. Full stop. It is a broad term that relates to different phenomena, which relates to different phenomena. Okay, different things. Like you can give example of Prashant Kishore. He is a political strategist and his role has been really immense in the last few elections. So all these things, in fact, Prashant Kishore is an example. Like let's say even at your home, a wife trying to influence her husband to reduce weight. So that is also a kind of influence. Only she will start talking about one of her friends, one of her male friends who is really fit. She will tell her husband that, see, our neighbor who was very fatty, he died because of heart attack. Then she start talking about the positives of good health, how your life expectancy can improve by this, how you can avoid lifestyle diseases if you are fit, if you reduce your fat. So this is nothing but social influence.